Okay, so yeah, I'm Alejandro from Strigo. We've been working with Meru and Harness it's already 2 years, I think. And it's been a great experience for us. Very nice communication with them, like very competitive prices. So I couldn't be asking for more for the country and the company, you know. Like, thank you, Harness, for the amazing service, and I just hope that we can be working together for many years.
Yeah, so we're an S corporation and an LLC, and I have found Meru Accounting to be a very timely, responsive organization. I have waited for years and years with some bookkeeping institutions, and Meru Accounting turns our work very quickly, very timely. They are responsive by email or we get on a Zoom call. And so far we've reviewed the end of month in a short little meeting, which helps me understand what they need. And each step we take happens to improve the relationship. So I'm very pleased with the work that Meru is creating for our bookkeeping. They work directly in our QuickBooks, and I think it's a pleasure.
Hello, my name is Sebastian. I have an e-commerce brand in the US. I started working with Meru Accounting a year ago when I wanted to have all my stuff clear. I don't really understand any laws and taxes in the US, so Meru Accounting helped me with that through their onboarding and monthly or weekly updates, and I am very glad to work with them because they help me to do all the fillings and any other questions according to the to law or taxes that they are able to give me an answer to that. So thank you, Meru.
Hey, my name is Glenn Rosenberg, and I have a company called beautyangelsacademy.com. And I also have another company that is called beautyproprime.com. You can look them both up. They're both substantial businesses. I engaged Rushab and his team at Meru Accounting for a project that we were working on. I'm very pleased with him. One thing that I would say when you're dealing with contractors, not just out of India, but contractors in another country, sometimes there's a difference in professionalism or a difference in response time, things like this. Rushab was extraordinarily professional. His team was great. I definitely recommend him and his team, and I would use them again. So hope you find this helpful.
Hi, I'm Andrew, CEO and co-founder of Stay22. I've been dealing with Meru Accounting for about a year now, and I cannot be more satisfied about their service. So I strongly recommend them, and please have a good day.
I'll tell you, for the first 7-8 months in 2022, we gave it to a different team. We thought they were local, they would know what is Australian bookkeeping and everything. But almost every second week was a struggle. We were not getting the right kind of service, and that's when Ashok came to looking for a bookkeeping team in India, and you happened to come across somehow, and we were lucky to get your team. Your team has done a brilliant job. They picked up from day one. They understood our requirement and they were able to deliver, and without blinking an eye, they would do anything that we request them to do, and they have always improved the process from what we gave it to them. And we said, look at the statements, anything that we say, they see the value in it. The whole process is to minimize manual work and engage the process to do the best part of bookkeeping. And the team has taken everything on board, and they have delivered within a span of 2-3 months a brilliant job.
If I need to add some more, as a business owner, because I'm more operations focused, one key thing, if anybody wants to know what I'll say about Meru, the guys who work there, they never give you no assignments, which I really, really like.
The services have been great. The team have been super responsive and helpful. If I've had any queries, they've responded very quickly and have adjusted whatever I needed immediately. So I can't fault how the team have been working. So thank you all round at the moment.
Thank you for you and your staff. Because of what we've been able to put together, you've helped me in the quality of my life. I mean, I've actually been able to not be as stressed, and I've been able to get home to my family and spend time there rather than stress out at work. And it's been very, very, very beneficial for me, for my health. It's allowed me to work on my own health and be better. So I'm very appreciative of you guys for that.
Sure. So how did you, how was about the quality of reporting you are getting, and what, if you would like to say something on that?
Yeah, no, I think that we're moving to a point to where I'm very excited about the next phase of what we're going to do, which is getting reports and getting the metrics. And what I want to do is I want to be able to analyze those metrics, but also analyze them with you guys to help create strategy on how to move the business based on the numbers.
Sure.
As opposed to just me thinking, oh, I should do this or I should do that. Because obviously we want to move the business, we want to direct the business according to the numbers, not just what you think, right? So,
sure.
So that's our goal for 2024 with you guys.
That's great.
The goal for this year was to get everything onboarded, the learning curve, figure out the processes, and again, your team has been absolutely wonderful in making that easy and any kind of processes to work out and whatnot. So,
sure, that's great. And how's about the turnaround time, the response time from us and everything? So
I see the response time has been really well. So as the days go by and as we learn more about how you guys work and you guys learn more about how the intricacies of our business, individual business, it helps speed everything up. And now, when we send things out, normally we get them back within a day or two maximum. And that's kind of when we need them. So that I just see it improving more and more.
Sure, that's great. So thank you for your great feedbacks. Thanks a lot.
So can you just rate our services like out of 10? Like how would we, on a scale to that, like for the bookkeeping and all the work that we are doing?
I would give you an 11. So let me tell you this, like
Sure.
as far as bookkeeping goes, I've been extremely happy with Meru Accounting. First off, always available. Every time I need to have a conversation with Alan, he's always available for me, schedules a meeting, and he's very clear, he's very precise. So after working with Meru Accounting for the last, let's say, I think it's been about 7 months now, 6 months that I've been working with Meru Accounting, there have been little to no errors. There's been nothing but clear, constant communication. And anytime I need anything, immediately we schedule an appointment and we have this conversation. I couldn't be more happy working with Meru.
Thank you so much for that. So did our bookkeeping services met your expectations that you were having for outsourcing work?
It's not only met the expectation, it's exceeded the expectation. I didn't expect to have such a smooth, streamlined process.
Would you recommend our bookkeeping services to some of your other colleagues and people who are enclosed?
Absolutely.
So is there any additional thing you want to add, or any things that you want to improve that in this part we have to change something and anything? And you have any suggestions to provide?
Here's the one thing that I would suggest is we use QuickBooks for our accounting and bookkeeping, right? And there's a part of QuickBooks where there's a Ask My Accountant feature. This Ask My Accountant feature it should actually be the other way around. It's my accountant asking me about what are these charges. When we have anything that has to do with Ask My Accountant, I shouldn't have to ask you for the meeting. I think the meeting should be the other way around. Amit, I've got some questions about these these charges. Can we set up a meeting?
Oh,
that's the way it should be, in my opinion.
Sure, I'll note for this and I'll try to improve if there's anything that we can do in this. Okay, so yeah, that would be all the questions I would have for you.
So I have a few questions to ask you for the feedback. The first is, how satisfied are you with the overall quality of our service?
Yeah, I'm very satisfied. My highest is that 5 out of 5 or 10 out of 10. I think you guys are doing a fantastic job and are very hardworking and very into the details and very keen to do a good job. So I'm very pleased.
Did we make efforts addressing your business need and objectives?
Yes, indeed. 5 out of 5 again.
What areas do you think we can improve our service delivery?
I think it's just a matter of time to get more and more involved into what I'm doing and take over more of my work. And all we need to do is make simple procedures of how we can run things on a sort of like day-to-day, weekly basis. And you have a lot of experience in helping mid-sized businesses. And if you have any ideas on how to make things smooth, easy, operational, I'm all ears. Otherwise, it's just a matter of time before we expand and you do more of the work. I want you to do as much as possible, including monthly reports and yeah.
Yeah, sure.
The sky's the limit. So 5 out of 5, yeah.
Okay, how would you rate our communication and responsiveness throughout the project?
Yeah, no, good again. Responds quickly via WhatsApp or email and take initiative for our daily call. I think it's very important that we touch base on a daily basis. Sometimes it's 2 minutes, sometimes it's half an hour, sometimes an hour. This is really important. Yeah, good.
Would you recommend our service to the others and why?
Yeah. No, I am, and I'm actually thinking I'm quite promoting of you guys in the terms that I think there's a big business model in helping small, medium-sized businesses in the likes of Singapore, where you have a guy like me on the ground, and you guys are sort of like doing the hard work. And I think there's a great case in that. So I have quite a lot of friends in venture businesses and other things, and it's something I'm talked to other businesses about. So over time, I can see me shifting more work to you guys.
Okay, thank you so much for helping us from the beginning. Your knowledge have also helped me a lot in improving my knowledge.
Good. And now I want you to, I'm very happy to take you under my wings in terms of see if I can do to educate you on sort of like corporate finance level, strategy level, etc. I want you to get involved. It only makes life more fun.
Thank you.
So let's just keep up the good work, man.
Thank you so much.